What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3. Today we are introducing the alien helicopter. It's been a long time since this was invited in the Mars by the aliens. Yeah, and it sounds very difficult. I'll show you in a second, but rate this from 1 to 10. I think it is. Yeah, let's make the sound. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was the sound of this one. So let's move on to the next one. See ya. So guys, this is the Zombie Apocalypse helicopter. It's one of the rarest ones in the whole world because it's only 3 people that have that and 3 existence. So I thought, like, why not? And now I'm doing it. And now I'm shown the rarest helicopter in the world. As you can see over here is the thing that can't zombies get in. Here's a minigun. Yeah, let's first make the sound of the minigun. Yeah, that's the sound of the minigun. Let's make the sound of the helicopter. Yeah, it sounds very weird, but that's how it is. You need to live with it. Yeah, that's all. See you in part 1. What do you mean part 1? The next video is gonna be with fighter jets. See you. Bye.